Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the Ashford Hospitality Trust, ticker symbol AHT, as it continues to be one of my personal favorite plays for the month of May. And today we saw just why. Extremely great price action, and we are all the way back in bullish territory, heading to my personal price target of $5. We're going to break down this price action and then take a look at the charts, take a look at the key levels and indicators that I like to use as a trader so we know what to expect moving forward. Without any further ado, let's hop right into the analysis. Okay, so here we have the daily price action for AHT, and as you can see, absolutely beautiful movement throughout the day. We're about an hour away from market close right now, sitting right at this 320 resistance level. And pretty much we started the day gapping out of this crucial wedge right here that I'll explain later when we go over key indicators. And after that, things started to look bullish. Buyers took note, and you can see we got past this 290 resistance pretty easily, despite it being very heavy resistance over the past couple of weeks. After that, we battled with 3. We held 3. We got above VWAP, and now we are breaking above this 320 resistance. If that holds, we could be seeing 340 test by the end of the day. But looking at the key indicators that explain why this is so bullish, the first one we want to take a look at is right here, this yellow line. That is the VWAP. If AHT closes above this yellow line, which I fully expect it to do, that means the bulls are in control heading into tomorrow's trading session. As you can see, pretty much throughout the entire afternoon, it has been holding above the VWAP after it tested it earlier, which is a very healthy thing for a stock to do once it starts ripping upward. So this is a very positive sign. The other indicators I personally like to use as a trader are these moving averages. So the first one down here, that's the 21-day EMA. It currently sits at 265. It's an intermediate level moving average, and it tells you kind of whether we're in bullish or bearish territory in the short to intermediate term. And as you can see, all AHT did today was stay above that and gain ground on it. So things are looking very bullish in the short and intermediate term. But now we're going to take a look at these two levels right here. That's the wedge we broke out of and why things started to turn incredibly bullish. This blue line here is the 50-day SMA at 273, and this orange line is the 200-day SMA at 275. Breaking above those are huge for any stock that is looking to gain some bullish momentum. Those are the foremost indicators most traders use to evaluate whether a stock is looking bullish or bearish. So being able to hold that after Friday's push and then push above it at market open and also get above this 282 support resistance level that's been giving us some trouble. This was all very, very bullish to the start, and this price action today just continues to confirm this. Look at this right here. We are breaking this 320 resistance. If we can retest it and hold it, like I said, 340s is next. And with that being said, let's hop right into these support and resistance levels. The first support level we're going to want to hold, if we go back and retest these levels, it's going to be $3. This is the only new support level I added in, just because $3 is a whole psychological number. You can see that based off the price action this morning. We did tend to use that level to test it instead of the 290 resistance. So I added that in there. If we do go back to these levels, you can consider buying at these support levels to minimize your risk and maximize your reward. After that support level, we also have support at 290 and 282. After that, these levels right here are going to be your main support levels, the 50-day SMA and the 200-day SMA. If this does break below that, things do start to look much more bearish for the stock. So be advised, be cautious, and mitigate your risk. But now taking a look at the bullish side, let's take a look at the resistance level. So the first one right here, which we are currently battling with, is this 320 level. If we do hold this level going into close, then it will actually serve as the first support level. Keep that in mind. But that being said, getting above it, holding above it is huge because it has been giving us problems along with this 340 level. Now, if we get a clean break over this 340 level, then things start to turn incredibly bullish. We are getting very close to testing that level. But after that, we can expect tests of 375 and 420. This is based off historical data. And after that, we can expect to see $5 very, very soon. So once again, watch out for this 320 and 340 range if you are long on the stock. And if we do see those clean breaks, then load up because this thing is going to start ripping. So the last thing we want to take a look at is the volume. As you can see here, with about an hour left to go before close, we are currently sitting at 30 million in volume, which is good. It is better than where we were last week. However, like I said, if we start pushing that 340 mark and things start to look incredibly bullish for the stock, expect the volume to follow. Look for numbers like we saw in the very beginning of May, this 108 million volume day. If we can see volume like that, then there is absolutely no doubt in my mind that the stock price will follow the volume and we will be seeing those price targets of $5 or even more very soon. So, with that being said, let me know whether you agree, whether you disagree. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Aside from that, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel. And aside from that, have a great rest of your day.